fresh from the success of Ras 3 and Bipasha Basu emerged as a hero of the film in a way. Lekin here as an actress you're coming forth.
Just because you are looking sexy or looking hot does not mean you're not acting. If there are some people who believe that, okay, putting less makeup is better acting, yes, I have no makeup in this film, so fine, I'm a good actor now. If you look a particular way, you are not taken very seriously as an actor, no matter how much good work you do. I'll use the same adjectives that are used for me for years and again. Sexy, hot, sultry. If you are all this, people really don't want to believe you're a good actor.
Somewhere people have those doubts here, Nawazuddin and Bipasha, once again that hot image of yours came forth. But it's working very well.
When they threw Nawaz's name at me to play Abhay's character, I was like, bang on.
Your movie is called Atma and the soul seems to be there, at least from the promo that we can make out.
Very well said, but it's true. It's got a lot of soul, this film. I have never done a role like this. It has been very emotionally challenging and draining at times. Hi, this is Bipasha Basu and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Well, we have the stunning Bipasha Basu. Her next film is coming up, Atma, and the promos are extremely positive. Pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama, Bipasha.
Thank you for having me.
And the promos, I think they are literally just getting the best out of you as far as an actress is concerned. So what sort of feedback have you got so far?
Well, right from the first time the trailer came on virally, it really got a lot of response from fans, from people in the business. And when you've been in the business for so long and you're used to doing a lot of films, you kind of get the vibe, with the trailer response.
तुम क्या समझ रही हो कि मैं यहाँ से चला जाऊँगा तो वापस नहीं आऊँगा? मैं आऊँगा, मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे पास आता रहूँगा। तुम्हें कभी छोड़ूंगा नहीं।
So we got a really positive response, and it feels really good because it's one of those films that which really has made me very proud of being an actor and being able to do a role like this. So it's exciting. I just hope now people come and watch the film.
Now, you're just fresh from the success of Ras 3 and people had reservations about maybe the film, the script and the certain dialogues, but Bipasha Basu emerged as a hero of the film in a way. Your performance was appreciated a lot. But somewhere, when the Atma promos have come out, somewhere as an actress, we seem to be seeing much more of you because Ras 3 kahin na kahin the entire factor maybe kahin na kahin dominate kiya tha. Lekin here as an actress you're coming forth, does that make you feel heartening in fact? Is it heartening for you?
No, I would actually firstly want to say that just because you are looking sexy or looking hot does not mean you're not acting. That character needed to be fiery. She was an actress. All that she believes is that she wanted to be glamorous Shania.
You freaking loser!
You better stay away from Sanjana!
उसे मरना होगा.
And the fact that she's so evil, it's not easy to pull that off on screen.
Absolutely.
It's not very believable, the things that I did on screen. So even to have like the emotional crisis or the breakdown or she goes completely ballistic, I would really say it's one of my most toughest roles that I've ever done, Ras 3.
Ras 3. No, as an actress,
I just
definitely
believe
you
that
shown
just
over
because
there.
you don't put less makeup does not make you a better actress. You have to act, whether it's a
I think apart from the makeup,
glamorous
the
role
entire
or not.
the bonding that you're having with the little girl, that is something that we've not seen
It's a
you doing.
different kind of performance.
Yeah, exactly.
It is definitely, I have to say that it is a performance of a very evolved person because for once I'm playing a mom. And the whole film depends on the emotional attachment of the daughter and mother. So yes, it is a very deep performance. It's not just a horror film. There is a lot of emotional drama that goes on. There is parental attachments of a dad and a daughter and a mom and a daughter and the dysfunctional relationship of a husband-wife. It talks about the horror of marital abuse. It talks about the horror of the fear of losing your loved one. So there is a lot of levels of emotional drama that happens in the film. And yes, it has given me immense opportunity to show my acting chops.
Absolutely.
मियाँ पापा से बात कर रही हो?
पापा ने आपके लिए एक मैसेज भेजा है।
क्या?
वो मेरे को लेने आ रहे हैं।
If there are some people who believe that, okay, putting less makeup is better acting. Yes, I have no makeup in this film, so fine, I'm a good actor
No,
now.
those stereotypes, I'm not talking about that at all. You know,
No.
but as a viewer
Yeah,
entirely,
but those
that's how you're
stereotypes
somewhere.
exist, Farid.
Absolutely, they exist
we
all the
need
time,
to
and
clear
they're
it
spoken
time
about.
and again.
Right.
It's good we discuss it in interviews like these, where a lot of people watch it. You have to be intelligent. Every kind of acting requires a certain kind of expertise, and every character requires a particular look. So sometimes what happens, like what I suffered with in my, I would say 70% of my career is because if you look a particular way, you are not taken very seriously as an actor, no matter how much good work you do.
Absolutely.
So, it's easier for people who don't look the typical, I'll use the same adjectives that I used for me for years and again, sexy, hot, sultry. If you are all this, people really don't want to believe you're a good actor. It's quite strange.
You have given good performances, I think.
Yes, I do believe that I have.
Bachna Hai Hasino, I think I've told you before as well. I think
Yeah.
it was outstanding. Quite a few other movies as well. And, somewhere from Ras 3 and I think it's percolating to Atma as well. Somewhere we are seeing that hunger in Bipasha Basu.
Yeah.
There is an immense amount of hunger.
There is.
Is that true?
I've
Give it an all
definitely
in
evolved
Ras
a
3.
lot more in the last 2 years. Definitely there's a lot of hunger. There is a lot of involvement in a project. Not just as an actor who comes on set from like 9 to 9. Now it's beyond that. Like I am excited when the writing of the film is happening, how the character is developing, who's going to be, I'm a part of the casting. So it starts as a prep and goes on to the shooting schedules and then even goes to post. I'm interested in every aspect of filmmaking now. And I get involved. I'm like hands-on with Suparn, I'm like always in touch with him. I want to know everything the way it's happening, even on the post. So I think the involvement definitely has grown.
Somewhere working with an actor like Nawazuddin, I'm sure that definitely just augments the performance as well, because the way you guys are just interacting somewhere, and he's a fantastic performer, in fact.
See, when you have an interested actor opposite you, who really has struggled hard to reach where he is.
And the chemistry is there, even though he's playing like a ghost or whatever. Because somewhere people had those doubts, Nawazuddin and Bipasha, once again that hot image of yours came forth. But it's working very well. I think it's working very well.
It's very unique, the pairing. And especially to see Nawaz and me in a film, forget what we are playing. Yeah, it's interesting casting. It's very interesting because when they threw Nawaz's name at me to play Abhay's character, I was like, bang on. I said, this is the way it needs to be. This film is such a all-heart film. They're such genuinely written, great characters that every good actor had to play each part.
निया, तुम्हारे पापा मर गए हैं।
So even Sharnaz playing my mom, Jaydeep playing the cop, I think, and Doel, we got a fantastic child. She's very innocent. She's not like those child actors who seem to know it all and everything is rehearsed. So she's very raw and she's very real. And if she likes you, she's there for you. So our connection happened day one. She calls me Bipasha Didi and she loves me. And I love her. I got so attached to Doel. So I guess that reality kind of, makes it easier to, with a child, it's so important to connect.
Absolutely.
And love her because I'm playing her mother. So it instantly happened off set that I've taken a liking to Doel a lot. So it kind of reflects on screen.
Aaja in India, I think it's a beautiful, track. Yeah. And the way it's just flowing literally, it has a strange kind of impact because maybe somewhere you don't associate that kind of song in a horror flick.
But it's very haunting.
It's very haunting, but at the same time, it has a very emotional connect. I think somewhere the soul. I was just telling Suparn that Acid Factory में आपके style बहुत ज़्यादा था, मतलब लेकिन substance मेरे ख्याल से शायद नहीं था. लेकिन here you're literally having soul. Your movie is called Atma, and the soul seems to be there, at least from the promo that we can make out.
Very well said, but it's true. It's got a lot of soul, this film.
So that entire element that we're seeing from Aaja in India, once again, as an actress, I think the way we've not seen you before.
Yeah,
We've not
absolutely.
seen
No, no,
before,
you have
like,
not seen a role like this. I have never done a role like this. It has been very emotionally challenging and draining at times. Like I was telling another person that, you know, there were times, I'm a very talkative person. I like to talk all the time with everyone on set. But for this film, there were times that, you know, I had to isolate myself. I used to have my headphones on. I would sit in one chair. No matter the whole world is going up and down, but I would be disconnected because at times my character Maya needed to be in that space where, you know, I am going to push certain emotional territories that I've not done before. So, and it had to be real. You know, you had to feel for it because you're talking about, you know, being a mother. And it's something that I've not felt. So I realized through the process of this film that every woman is blessed with this maternal instinct. She just has it. You don't have to like really be a mother to feel it.
आजा निंदिया रहना बीती जाए रे.
You know, this role actually, as a woman, I think it has evolved me in a way. It's really like, you know, you understand what a child is to you when you're a mother.
Right.